We're going off-road. Way back off the highway.
What's up, Average Jeepers here. Let me ask you something, Jamie. You like riding with your top off?
I do, but except we live in Florida and it's 1,000,000 degrees every day.
Oh my god, at the red lights, it sucks. We picked up one of these Spiderweb shades. We're going to install this on the LJ here, and then we're going to give a review on it. Now, according to this thing blocks out 90% of the sun's harmful UV rays.
That'd be great.
It reduces the noise.
Even better.
There's no header needed, and it never has to be removed. This is made of the highest quality mesh top and is designed to fit all Jeep Wranglers from '87 to 2006. This particular one. This stuff's also made in America, so you can support them. They're not paying for this in any way. We're going to give an honest review on it, and we're going to show you how to install it.
And we're going to put the hard top back on once we're done and check it out.
What's up, guys? Just want to take a minute. Want to give a salute to everybody that's been supporting us from the beginning. Also, if you're new to that channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. And if any of these videos help you, give them the thumbs up. Check out those playlists to see more Jeeps.
Alright, we're going to open it up here and see what we got. It smells fresh and new. Got a sticker.
Oh, they give you a slap?
Oh, we got a sticker. We're stickering it up later. I got to figure out this mess.
Alright, no tools are required. That's what's awesome about this. Hello, thank you very much for your order. We are not a big company. We are Jeep owners, and we are tired of sweating at stoplights and needing earplugs on the interstate. I think we can all agree with that. We think that we will really enjoy our product. It is very simple in design and function. We do not include installation instructions with the shade. So we're going to provide you with installation instructions. You can go to their website and they can hook you up. Check them out. SpiderWebShade.com.
We got all these. Now let's go set this out in the sun.
Yes, they recommend to set it out in the sun to get all the wrinkles out.
And it is sunny out here today.
Alright, the material feels really, really good quality. They put their logo here on the back. It's actually really nice. I like the color too. Honestly, I think it's so hot today, we probably could have just put it straight on the Jeep.
I think we probably could. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Half for you.
Where they give you 12 spider balls. Looks like these are all the same size.
All except the little guy.
All except the little guy. Alright, that's obviously going to be the center holder, I believe. You guys like this. Alright. Let's throw it up here and see what happens. And I know the logo's supposed to go on the back, I believe.
Yep, logo goes in the rear. Just like a tramp stamp. Put the ball string like this.
Start in the center, I believe.
Yeah, if you don't cut my head off with it. Put the little balls on the bottom. Get through here. And then we're done. Same thing. Here. Pull it. Here, I'll give you a little slack.
Alright, to the back corners. Alright, now that you got the top two corners secured, go ahead and do the back. And go in, go under and around your seatbelt bracket. Make sure you get around the seatbelt and bring it back into itself.
And a little trick is you just take your ball and just slide it around back, and then it's out of sight.
Alright, and then just go back to the front and work your way back. Remember to go from under. Alright.
Did I give you an extra spider ball?
No. I have one left, but I got one hole.
I got one hole and one left too.
Here's one.
Oh, we got one? Alright, the good people at Spider Shades had us taken care of. I just lost it.
Alright, man.
Awesome. I like it.
I like it too. We pull it out in the sun and see what it did.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a shade. That's a lot better.
That's a lot better. Like you can feel the difference from here to here. It's like 10 degrees, 15 degrees difference.
Oh yeah, I like the color too. The quality's pretty nice too.
Quality's real nice. Off the line. Made in America.
Alright guys, to put this thing to the test, we're going to show you. This thing says that it's 97 degrees outside right now. I believe it's hotter than that. The real feel it says is 104. So we're going to take this thermometer, we're going to put it in the sun, and then we're going to put it in the Jeep, and we're going to see what the temperature differences are.
You mean you're not going to anally check yourself first?
I already have, and I am good. Checks out good. Alright, let's do it. Alright. Hopefully you guys can read that. We're in the shade now. Just says H. It's too hot to even read it. All right. See what's up inside the Jeep under the Spiderweb shade. Alright, so it's reading it at 109.2. It definitely feels like it's 110 degrees outside. It is super hot today, but it wouldn't even read on the outside.
Alright, let's check this seat over here that's getting hit by the sun.
Alright.
Alright, we're going to restart it.
Try to get the shadow off of it. What's it reading?
It's already at 109.
109, but it hasn't reached its limit. So we'll even take it. 109 in the Jeep with the shade on, in direct sunlight. climbing. And then it pegs out. There you have it. Proof it actually does. And that's not even mentioning the UV protection this thing provides.
Getting in the bag.
Alright, we got the top on. And the spiderweb shade is still in.
Pull it back. Pull it down. Lock it in.
There we go. And it's kind of cool because it looks like a headliner in here. But it works with the top on. So all together, we weigh out the pros and cons. I can't even think of any cons, can you?
I can't think of any. It's pretty nice. You get shade.
Yeah, the pros, there's no tools required. You can put your hard top back on. It keeps you shade. It's fairly inexpensive. And
seems like a good product.
Yeah, it really does.
Like, well built.
Like I said, we're not getting paid. This is our honest opinion on the product. We'll see how it holds up later on. The information's right here if you guys are interested. It looks like it comes with a 5-year warranty. They come in many different colors, I think. This particular one will fit TJs, LJs, and YJs. Yeah, I give it a good review. What about you?
Yeah, I gave it a great review, but if you look closely, this one says just for the LJ.
Oh, it does.
They check.
Yeah, that is crazy because right here it says fits all things.
Yeah, that's what I was seeing. I mean, I guess will fit.
It does fit. It looks like they have different styles too. Like that's the one where it looks like you can get a 2-piece.
And they have
Yeah, I like
pieces.
the one we've got is the full back.
Yeah.
So
So they have different models. So check them out, man.
check them out.